If your engine has excessive blow-by, like this one, and if it sounds like it's misfiring, like this one, come over here. Check out what was found on this truck. Got the injectors disabled. Listen to the compression. That's what it sounds like when there's compression leaking through the piston rings, into the crankcase, and out the dipstick tube. Notice the relative compression test results. Cylinder number 4, that's where our problem's at. This engine's gonna need to get rebuilt. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you like and follow me for more.